Good morning, everybody, and happy Mother's Day. Today I am in the kitchen cooking once again. I'm trying to keep it simple today. So I'm making spaghetti, potato salad, and some fried fish. So yeah, and my new island came yesterday. It's a little island, but I don't really have counter space in here except for over there, which really ain't no space. Let me show you what I'm talking about. That's the counter space that came with my place. I ain't got no more counter space except for over there with my dish racket and that right there. So yeah, no. Sometimes I use my deep freezer as counter space, but no. But yes, and my play brother put it together for me, my little island. Paid like $100 for it. So now I have more counter space. And as y'all can see, I'm all set up right now to start on my potato salad. I will be showcasing everything when I'm done. But yeah. And I also ordered a new camera that I can hook up, show y'all better like when I'm cooking and stuff like that. So the first thing I'm going to do right now is take this tool right here and I'm going to crush my potatoes for my potato salad. I love this thing. I think I had two of them. I don't know where the other one at, but yeah. I use it when I'm making my banana puddings and everything to like crush cookies and stuff like that. Yeah. Okay. And this thing does a really good job at crushing stuff. Like, you know, for certain meals like this, like the potato salad and everything like that. I love it. And yeah, y'all, I know I'm not together right now, but I will be in a little while. I just want to get this cooking out the way, you know. Make this potato salad, then I'm going to put it in the refrigerator so it can chill. Okay, so a lot of people be asking me, like, what all do you put in your potato salad? Okay, well, I'm going to show y'all a little bit of some of the stuff that I put in my potato salad. First, I'm going to throw some seasoning, regular seasoning in here. And I have seasoning salt. Okay. I have onion powder. Let's see. I thought this was the open one. But it wasn't. I grabbed another one. That's okay. So I got onion powder. And I have black pepper. And I have garlic powder. Okay. And then I'm going to take my diced white onions. Those in there. Okay. And I have some more vegetable. 1 second. I have some red roasted pepper and some green bell pepper. Yes, honey. Yes, honey. We don't just do a regular potato salad. Ain't nothing about nothing I make regular, right? I have some garlic. And I'm just gonna, it smells so good. Put some of that garlic in there. Okay. And, 1 second. Okay, and a couple of other seasonings. I have some cayenne pepper, and I just put a little bit. And some paprika for inflammation. So those of us that got that arthritis or just joint problems, paprika is really good for inflammation. So I put some paprika in there. All right, so far this is what that looks like. So this is what it's looking like so far with all of my seasonings and stuff in there, and we're not done. So now I'm going to start mixing some of this up, but I also have to add my wet stuff to it as well. Okay, so now I'm going to start mixing my seasonings and my peppers and my onions and stuff for my potato salad, mixing it all together. Yeah. mix all that together. Okay. Ooh, I feel like I need a bigger bowl, but my big bowl cracked, but we're gonna do what we gotta do, right? Okay, so now I pretty much mixed everything, and I'm gonna show y'all what that look like. Okay, so that is all of the ingredients that I showed y'all that I put in mixed with the potatoes. Now for the wet ingredients. And for my wet ingredients, I am about to add some mustard, some sandwich spread. And I like the sandwich spread because it already got like the sweet relish and stuff in it, you know? So yeah, sandwich spread. And my last ingredient is some diced eggs. And then I'm going to mix all of this together. And then I transferred everything into this larger pan so I could mix it better. And now I'm just garnishing the top of my potato salad with some eggs. I like a lot of eggs for garnish. I really do like eggs, like in my potato salad. You just give it that extra, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, we just garnishing it with some eggs and egg whites, okay? No. And lastly, I'm just gonna cover this with some foil and put it in the refrigerator to chill. Bye.